show everybody.
Okay. Okay.
That bike slammed me down hard once.
Really? It wasn't the driver, though.
Yeah.
It was.
It was right over there.
Ooh, there he goes. Just don't hit us. He's picking it up really good.
He's doing great, really.
Dean, thanks so much.
Right over there, Ryan had fallen down.
Yeah.
So Evan and I went over to him, and we were just sitting there while he was picking his bike up and stuff. And I had it in first, and I looked over to Evan, and I go, "Watch this." I backed up towards Ryan, and I was just going to roost him.
Uh-huh.
I go, "Ah." I dumped the clutch out, and it just goes, wham!
Wow.
And Evan's sitting there watching you.
Ryan,
How do I stop this thing?
Соедините он с ней.
He's funny, honey. He's just kidding.
I'm alive!
First.
Did you have fun?